Okay, one of the things I need to cover is that our standard full-size kits cannot be attached to your home, and this is the reason why. We can do a full-size kit, but we have to make some changes. This is a 2x8 rough sawn rafter. This is what our full-size kits are typically made of, and there's not room to make the dovetail connection to get this kind of a cut on the end of this small of a board. So this dovetail connection is how we attach the rafters to the ledger, and we need a 3x8 in order to do that. So on a standard full-size kit, we have to upgrade from 2x8 rafters to 3x8 rafters in order to make our dovetail on the end of the rafter. So it can be done. It's an upgrade and a little more cost.